Abnormally cold temperatures are being reported across the entire United States.
So it's only going to get colder.
Damage is going to be in the billions.
We're gonna have to move fast. Stay focused and stay safe. The whiteouts, black ice, and hailstones falling from the sky at 95 miles per hour.
Hold on.
They are reckless.
And I can't be trusted.
Heat this storm with microwaves.
We have your rockets. Fill them with silver iodide.
We've got a major problem. The entire planet will hit absolute zero. We're about to enter a new ice age.
We lost Noah.
Only 6 minutes to go. We are running out of time.
We have a deal, Dr. Diaz.
Come in, Eric. Have you heard from Chrissy or Klein?
How are they going to find us?
We have to get our plan into effect.
Trust me?